So I've got some PC parts here on Christmas Day. I'm going to be doing an upgrade on the PC. So we've got new graphics card. We got a GTX 970, the Fallout 4 edition graphics card. 4GB of VRAM because my old 960 was put in my brother's new PC. Q Plus LEDs from NZXT. A Kraken X61 all-in-one liquid cooler, also from NZXT. A Razer Mamba Chroma mouse. Razer Firefly Chroma mousepad. So a lot of Razer stuff, a lot of NZXT stuff. And I've also got a few cable extensions, so the cables look nice in my computer. They're white and they match. I've got an extra SATA cable there too. So we're going to get started on this upgrade, and it should be a pretty fun video. Construction, where are you? Alright, we got the pump installed. That's nice. Alright, it's time for the graphics card. Alright, we're gonna power it up and see if I did everything right, because Alright, so I finished installing the VQ Plus. That took way too long. Now we're going to see if it powers up. Pump is powering up. With the water cooler. The VQ Plus is on. See the LED. It's not set up though, so I don't know. So for the LEDs, I did put, so there's one there, one along there, one at the top, and one behind the cable management bar. Cable management is not my best Alright, well, everything looks like it's working. Alright guys, so this is the end of this little PC upgrade video that I actually recorded back in December, but I never got around to making it into a video. Sorry, it's kind of choppy. I didn't have footage of me putting everything together, like the liquid cooler. I didn't have video of me installing the radiator because it's a huge pain, because I had to do some ghetto mod to get it to work, because my case is kind of small. If you enjoyed watching bits and pieces of this, leave a like, and we are 15 subscribers away from 200 subs, so that's a pretty big deal to me. That'd be pretty cool if we could reach that soon. So again, if you enjoyed the video and videos like this kind of tech related, then go ahead and leave a like and a comment if you have any questions about any of the parts I use. All of them will be linked in the description, along with all the unboxing videos I did for them, so if you want to check those out, you can. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next weekend. Bye!